Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Pacific. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log into Avant Credit Card. So first step is to open your browser. You can open any of the browser like Firefox, Safari, etc. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now after opening your browser, click on the search engine and type in Avant Credit Card. Now click on the first link which has this logo. This is the official website for Avant Credit Card. Now on the top navigation bar, you can see the login option on the right. Click on it. Now you'll need your email ID and your password to log in. So type in your email. Now type in your password. If you have forgotten your password, click on this link and you can recover your password. Now click on login. Following these simple and easy steps, you are now able to log into Avant Credit Card. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And do comment down below if you have any confusions. Thank you.